To build the SharePoint online communication site, follow these steps. Open SharePoint. Log into your Microsoft 365 account and navigate to the SharePoint from the app launcher or directly via the SharePoint URL. Create a new site. On the SharePoint homepage, click plus Create Site or Create Site if available. Choose Communication Site from the options presented. Configure site details. Enter a site name and a description. Choose a site classification if applicable. Select a site design that best fits your needs, such as topic for general communication, showcase for highlighting information, or blank for a custom design. Design the site. After creation, you will be directed to the new site. Use the Edit button to customize the homepage. Add and configure web parts such as text, images, documents, and news. Use the plus button to insert web parts and drag them to the desired location. Customize layout. Modify the layout by selecting Edit on the page and using the options available to change the layout sections, colors, and branding. Publish and share. Once you finish customizing your site, click Publish to make it live. Share the site with your team or organization by adjusting the permission settings.